here we got a gaggle of geese that have returned. It has been a while since there's been a lot of them at the park. Oh, this one, he's climbing up. I don't know how long this is gonna be because, I don't know, they haven't been around me for a while, so they're probably not gonna try and eat from me. Or my hand, not me. These aren't people eating geese. Look at this one come up. There's two. I think that's really nice. Hi. Hi. I think that one over there just pooped. What is it? What is it? Oh, he's eating grass now. Look at them. Aren't they so silly? You're a silly goose. Silly goose. Silly geese. Silly cobra chicken. The cobra chickens aren't bad. Cobra chickens are actually nice. I think people should be nicer to cobra chickens. The sun came out. Believe it or not, the power's out at my house. So that rice geese, there's a tree that fell on the power line. I was gonna make a bologna sandwich today, but there was no bologna meat. That's very sad. So how do you feel, geese? Huh? How do you feel? You feel good? Is everything alright? Say they don't know they're geese. Got a tiny little brain. I think it's funny how like they have like feathers everywhere, but like then when you get to their feet, it's just like pure skin. Oh, look at him. This is a great gaggle. There's goslings over there, but they're super tiny, so I don't want to make the parents scared or upset, or to upset the goslings too. So I'm just gonna stay here by the normal ones, the adult ones. These are good geese. I like them. It's so funny. What do you gotta say, goosies? Huh? Huh? What do you gotta say? These ones are trying to get some sun to be warmer. Ooh, seeing something. Good geese. You know, they're so docile. I know people don't have that same experience as me, but from my experience, they're pretty docile. Well, I had to let some people go by without talking, so, and I don't think they're that hungry right now, so I'm gonna leave it here. Bye-bye, geese.